And I truly believe the fact that I let myself fully die without agenda is why I'm able to be here sharing with you today as a new version of me. Everything about me has shifted. I feel like a different person. My voice is different. I look different. I show up in the world a different way. My mannerisms are different because that version of me no longer exists. And when we can let go of that version of us fully, we create that space for the new version of us to birth through. But you can't simultaneously be holding on to the old you while wishing for the new you. It's not how it works. You need to have the winter and for all of the leaves to shed and to ice. Like right now, I'm here in Austin. It's like an Arctic tundra. Everything's iced and cold, but that's necessary for the spring to bloom. You can't hold on to it forever. And we're so attached. We're so attached to our former identities, our relationships, our sense of belonging in another. We think that love can only be experienced through the eyes of another, that we don't want to let go. But the thing is that love that you experienced when you were with that person was always inside of you. What you were experiencing with that person was the love that you are. It was just amplified through another. And I know for me, the thing that I grieved the most and was the hardest to let go of was that feeling of feeling at home with another. Like that person that you're in their arms and you just feel like I'm home. Wherever I am in the world, in their arms, I'm home. And that was the thing I grieved the most of, like, wow, I don't have that anymore. Because yes, I have friends and family, but you don't like melt into their arms, And as someone who holds a lot and runs a business and podcasts and all these things, I'm like, wow, I don't have anywhere that I can like melt into. And that was the thing that I really needed to grieve. And while I don't have a clear solution to that, I'm letting myself be single this year and find that love within myself. I know that ultimately I am my own home. And that love that I was experiencing through him was the love that was always inside of me.